Hey, what's going on everyone? So I got a pretty cool video for you guys today. It's going to be showing my 6'6" father-in-law on the Lectric XP. So it's going to be a big guy test on this small foldable electric bike. Now a few weeks ago they came in to visit us. We all went out on a bike trail, picked a bike and went out and had a great time. He rode the Midway EP2 Pro that whole day on the bike trail, but when we got home he hopped on a bunch of my other bikes and was testing them out. So this is the footage of when he hopped on the Lectric 2.0 Step-thru and got his initial impressions on the bike and just how he felt about it. So everywhere in this video where he's comparing it to the other bike, he's meaning the EP2 Pro by Midway. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I hope you find this video enjoyable and helpful if you're a bigger person and have been deciding on whether or not this bike's big enough for you. If you're interested in checking out more about these bikes or purchasing one, I'll leave an affiliate link down below in the description that you guys can use to take you directly to their site. And as a disclaimer, I will make a small commission if you do use that link. Let's get into it, guys. I hope you find it interesting. Please make sure you hit the like button. It really helps my channel out, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, starting Midway on the Lectric.
Oh yeah, a lot easier. Just how much power it's got when it goes.
A little easier than the Midway.
A lot easier.
"6'6", 280 pounds.
Power to it.
Over 280 pounds on the Lectric Step-thru 2.0.
Oh, like right now, the power, that's incredible. Like, that's amazing how fast that takes off. The other ones didn't do that. That's great. Oh, I definitely like this bike. Like that right there, that's amazing how fast that, and no effort. How fast that's going. Oh, I'm coming. Yeah, I definitely like how this has got a lot more pep to it. Just going. Get that way. It definitely has more power to it. Actually, I like the reach on it better too than the other one. There's no effort to it. And it just wants to go. Like barely even touching it. This is crazy how fast this thing is. I definitely like this one though. Definitely like it. Like, that's crazy how fast that takes off.
GoPro, stop recording.